I usually wake up, and I'm sure some of you as well, puffy, tired, just like fatigued, don't want to get out of bed. And I have some tricks which will also then depuff your face. So without further ado, let's start our lymphatic drainage morning routine. Before I even wake up, I literally do this exercise, and it looks maybe weird, but it's the best thing to activate your entire body. So let's do that for 30 seconds. You raise your legs, your head is on the mattress, not under a pillow, and you start shaking like a crazy ladybug which fell on to the back. Really start to move and shake as much as you can for 30 seconds. Last seconds. Hug your knees in. And let's start with the next lymph activation. We are starting to stretch our neck. And we tap gently in downward motion from our neck towards our shoulders. Relax everything else in the face and the neck. Feel the stretch. And then switch sides. Give your neck a stretch and tap gently downwards. Now in half moon circles, go with your neck up there and to the other side, because the neck is literally the gateway to our beauty and to our skin. So we want to give it a good stretch, especially after a long night or a short night of sleep where we often have tension. As a next step, we haven't even moved out of bed. We are placing our hands onto our shoulders, and for 30 seconds we're gonna rotate our shoulders backwards. This will not only activate our neck and shoulders, but also our shoulder blades, which are so important for good posture throughout the day. Imagine you're squeezing an imaginary orange between your shoulder blades, so make the circles as big as possible. This is also a technique which we show in our app, among lots of others for the neck and shoulders, because it's so important. Last ones. Make the circle as big as possible and relax. Next thing, we are going to massage our armpits. Maybe I'll take off my t-shirt, I have a bra underneath, to show you how it's done. So we are literally activating our lymph node under our armpits. You can go even up. And I'm sorry for the noise in the background. I hope you can still hear me. This will not be cut out. But yeah, we are activating our lymph nodes. And you can really go in and massage that area. Don't worry if it gets a little bit red. You can relax your arm, breathe easily, go also in the back, because this has a huge impact also in the long run once we depuff throughout the day after doing this. Now let's switch sides. Now that you know how it looks, I'm going to keep my t-shirt on. But go really in, enjoy the sensation, and activate your lymph node. Everything in the body is connected, so doing only stuff for the face or putting a cream will not really move the needle. So everything we are doing has such a huge impact overall for your health, but especially also for your face. Keep on going. You can also put your arm up or down forget the back. Get really in there. Make sure to do each side for around 30 to 40 seconds. Relax your shoulders, shake everything out. The next important thing is our clavicle bones. So we are pressing our fingers onto our clavicle bones and hold. And we keep on breathing. We can move with the motion of our neck, but the fingers are pressing right into the collarbones. This is how we also activate gently lymphatic drainage. Don't forget to breathe. Maybe envision also how your day is going to look like. What would be amazing to happen today? How do you want to be today? How do you want to show up? And just envision while you're also activating your lymphatic system. Last breaths. You can also close your eyes. You can be proud of yourself that you're taking the time in the morning to do something for you. Release and relax. And then there's the last thing, which is also very, very funny, because not that I've already showed you funny stuff enough. It's the 100 jumps. And this is what we finish off. This is really how you get your lymphatic drainage going, because you can envision your body like a glass of water and there's sand on the bottom, and you have all that basically gunk stagnated in your body, and if the glass is not moving, the gunk in the glass also doesn't move. So if you start moving the glass up and down, the sand or the gunk in that glass starts to move as well, and then also in the body it will get transported throughout our lymphatic system through going to the toilet or sweating. So this will absolutely detoxify you as well. So this is an amazing way. So let's go for 30 seconds and we're gonna jump. Have fun with it. You can move your arms. If you don't like to jump, you can also just step and just press your heels into the ground. Same movement, envisioning how the water glass is basically moving. Shake everything out. Maybe stretch from one side to another. And you're ready for the day. So this is basically what I do every morning to get my lymphatic system going, to get energized for the day. And I hope you learned one or two things. And if you want to learn even more, check out our app. And with that being said, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day and see you in the next YouTube video.